To the another session of data science for beginners. Till now, I have covered a lot of basic concepts about assigning variables, the seven arithmetic operators, and the data types, the concatenation, string data type, integer data type. Now, I'm going to tell you about the booleans operation. Booleans operation is basically stating true or false, whether the statement is true or false. Let's check. Let's give a basic statement, question statement. 8 is greater than 2. True. 3, I'll type 3 is greater than 6. True. Sorry, 3 is smaller than 6. And if I write 3 is greater than 6, false. This is about equal to greater than sign. Sorry, the greater than or smaller than. Then there we have a sign of equal to as well. 9 equals 10. Is 9 equal 10? We have to ask this question by writing double equal to. 9 is equals to 10. False. 15 is equals to 15. True. So this is Boolean's expression. We can use variable assigning this and check the value, Boolean's value. A is equals to 3. B is equals to 5. A equals to B. I'm asking this. False. And if I say A is greater than B, true. A is smaller than B, false. Another term we'll learn here is 15 factorial sound. It was an exclamatory sign or factorial sign in terms of maths, but here it does not mean factorial. 50, it means does not equal. So this exclamatory plus equal to means does not is not equal, and this double equal to sign means the question is equal to. True. So 50 is not equal to 40. That statement is true. For 40 is not equal to 40. False, because 40 is equals to 40. So this was about Boolean's operation, true or false, and equal to and not equal to. Thank you so much for watching.